All right, we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo I just got today. It's relatively new. I think this design is only about a year old, I think. So this one arrived in a normal Zippo black box. And the label on this thing says Tuxedo. Of course, it's made in Bradford, PA in the USA. It's a genuine Zippo. There is the Tuxedo Zippo. So this is on a matte black finish. Got a real good sound. It has a steel insert. Fires up nice. And one of the nice things about this one, it has the Zippo logo on the pocket. Right there on the pocket, you can see the Zippo logo. And the bottom of this is the stampings are A of 16, so it's about a year and a half old design. And you can see there a real nice crisp Zippo stamping, Bradford, PA, made in the USA. So that is a good look at the Zippo Tuxedo. Nice red bow tie. Let's do a drop test with this thing lit from about, I'd say about 2 feet. That stayed lit. Let's try one more time. So I hit the bullseye. So this nice little Tuxedo Zippo passes the drop test with flying colors. And yes, this is made in the USA and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.